Here we are again. It's Nev. Sorry, I pushed the wrong button in the last video and turned myself off. So we were just about to load the reflection page and copy in. Let's copy in the reflection page, and I have actually pasted all of this before, so I'm just going to have to delete all of this. Delete. And in OneNote, on one of the very first times I built this, I took notes of the various errors that I made and the problems I struck. One, for example, was that I made the width of the table a fixed 700, so it wouldn't narrow down. At that stage I thought it would narrow down enough for use on a mobile phone, and then I changed it to a 100%, and I've got diagram screenshots using OneNote. It's very quick to detail that. Now if I copy all that detail, Control C, and then I go into our page and Control V, I'm pasting it. I'm not changing the template here, I'm only just changing the body, which is an editable section of one page. I'm not sure if it's actually happening. Yeah, it is happening. Now before I did this, I went in and I resized the various images in OneNote, and that automatically sizes them correctly for the web. That's a very handy thing. We'll talk more about the image optimization later. Okay, so we'll save that. Now the last thing I want to do before I leave is go back to the template, because after you've done most of the Flash exercises, you are going to make a banner. Now I'm going to put that, and then you'll put that banner into this website here, and it should be on all of the pages. So I'm going to insert an image. The banner, even though it's made in Flash, is stored as an animated GIF. So I'm going to call that an animated banner for the blind people when their reader is reading it out. Now I might just center that. At the moment I noticed that it was right, align, center, middle. Okay, and save. Control S. This should ask us to save all 6 files. All of the 6 files are closed except for update, except for, now we should be able to watch some Index Games video about me. Flash. Did it update the reflection? I wonder. The reflection is here. Close. So I'm going to view that. It's on the home page. It's on About Me. It doesn't look centered. It looks to the right. Games, Flash. I don't expect it'll be on the reflection page. No. Let's go back. Alt Tab. Let's save this. Control S. And we should then see whether it's up on the top of the reflection page. It is there now. And there it is. Now all I have to do is get that centered, and I have done all that we need to do for our template web page. So this is much easier. If I was to insert that on our website number 1, I would have to insert it on 6 different pages. If I want to add an extra page, I would have to go through the menus on all 6 pages. It's a huge deal. This is much more efficient. Thank you for persevering so far.